Instagram has made big changes in 2025. And if you're a creator or a business creating content, these are new updates you need to know. From longer reels to engagement hacks and AI-powered features, let's break down the most important updates and how you can use them to grow. Welcome back, or if you're new to the channel, welcome. I help creators and small businesses get creative with their content. So let's get into all the latest Instagram updates so far in 2025. Longer reels and algorithm changes. Instagram is pushing 3-minute reels, previously capped at 90 seconds. You don't have to go longer, but it's worth testing how the longer reels will perform with your audience. Why? Well, the algorithm now prioritizes average watch time along with likes and sends. Instagram has also introduced 2 new metrics: view rate and views over time. So keep an eye out for those. How to boost reach and engagement. Likes drive reach amongst your audience. So if you want better engagement, encourage meaningful likes. Sends drives discovery. If people share your content, you reach more unconnected accounts. So make content that people want to share with others. Collaborations are a hidden gem. Less than 1% use that feature, and yet it lets you tap into 2 audiences. So find a partner and give it a try. Trial reels. Test your content. Instagram trial reels lets you test videos with non-followers before you fully post it. It's perfect for experimenting with new content without experiencing engagement drops. But just remember, you'll have to wait a bit to share it with your own audience whilst Instagram gathers your insights. Social connectivity in Reels. A new dedicated Reels feed now highlights Reels that your friends have interacted with. Icons now indicate when someone you follow has watched and liked a reel, making Reels more interactive and discussion-driven. AI stickers for stories and DMs. You can now create custom AI stickers directly inside Instagram DMs. Just tap the meta icon at the top of your messages and let the AI create unique stickers and images through prompts that you give it that you can use on your Reels, your stories, and in your messages. Profile grid changes and customizations. Instagram has rolled out 4:5 aspect ratio for profile grids. This means your posts might now look a bit different on your profile. Bigger news though, Instagram is talking about being able to customize and move around your posts on your profile grid. It'll be great for that aesthetically pleasing grid if you can move your posts in the exact order that you want them. Key tips and takeaways. Formats matter. Use Reels for reach, carousels for engagement, and stories for quick updates and interactions. Watch your metrics. Focus on average watch time for Reels, likes per reach for engagement, and sends per reach for discovery. Collab and experiment. Find someone and use the collab feature to give it a go. And use trial reels to test content before committing. Stay adaptable. Instagram's algorithm is always changing, so keep trying and testing new things and keeping an eye on your metrics. And remember, Instagram rolls these things out and these updates out in stages to different accounts and different countries, all at different times. So if you don't have this yet, don't worry, it's on its way, but after watching this, you'll be ahead of the game. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed for more content like this that helps you with content and creative and your creativity with content. And if you're really interested for some deep dive and some real insight into creative practices, sign up to my newsletter. The link is in the description. Instagram is evolving fast, but staying up to date and testing your content is how you'll grow your audience. Let me know in the comments which update you're most excited about or what you're gonna test next. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, peace.